She don't like apples.
She doesn't like apples.
He do his homework every day.
He does his homework every day.
I didn't went there.
I didn't go there.
She is more better now.
She is better now.
He is married with her.
He is married to her.
I am agree with you.
I agree with you.
She has a good news.
She has good news.
I am living here since 2010.
I have been living here since 2010.
I visit Paris last year.
I visited Paris last year.
Open the light.
Turn on the light.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
She is more smarter than me.
She is smarter than me.
He go to gym every day.
He goes to gym every day.
I have seen him yesterday.
I saw him yesterday.
He isn't home.
He is at home.
It depends on you.
It depends on you.
I am having car.
I have a car.
She said me the truth.
She told me the truth.
The teacher gave us a homework.
The teacher gave us homework.
He is senior than me.
He is senior to me.
He didn't came to class.
He didn't come to class.
She is more prettier than her sister.
She is prettier than her sister.
I am going to home.
I am going home.
I have visited there 2 days ago.
I visited there 2 days ago.
I visited there 2 days ago.
He is good at English.
The sceneries are beautiful.
The scenery is beautiful.
She is more faster than me.
She is faster than me.
I am not understanding.
I don't understand.
I look forward to meet you.
I look forward to meeting you.
He has much friends.
He has many friends.
I enjoy to watch the movie.
I enjoyed watching the movie.
He is afraid from dogs.
He is afraid of dogs.
She is listening music.
She is listening to music.
He said me that he was tired.
He told me that he was tired.
He is angry on me.
He is angry with me.
I am used to wake up early.
I am used to waking up early.
I know him good.
I know him well.
I am going to abroad.
I am going abroad.
He suggested me to go.
He suggested that I go.
The news are interesting.
The news is interesting.
She works hardly.
She works hard.
I know to swim.
I know how to swim.
He is my cousin brother.
He is my cousin.
I am going for shopping.
I am going shopping.
I didn't told him.
I didn't tell him.
He returned back home.
He returned home.
He did a mistake.
He made a mistake.
I met John yesterday night.
I met John last night.
He is my real brother.
He is my brother.